The A-Mobility location tracking app allows you to track the storage location of anything from your inventory to your assets. We create track IDs or utilize system-generated lot numbers and associate it with a virtual storage location that can be freely defined at the time of storing. These are not warehouses. They are not predefined, but rather a non-validated text string of up to 15 characters. The location tracking app is aimed at assisting you in finding the product on your floor or in your plant. While warehousing is a perfect science where all transactions must occur so that the ins and outs balance, location tracking, by contrast, marks a unit with a location and a timestamp so you can know where's my stuff. From the tablet, this app has three primary functions. First is the put to location. Second is the grouping. And the third is the location lookup. The put to location function is where you enter your freeform storage location and identify what track or group ID is being stored in this location. The grouping function is kind of like using a master label for shipping. It allows you to group many units together and use the group ID to track where your stuff is being stored. The location lookup function will allow you to find your stuff either by searching for a location ID or an item number. If you are looking for a specific track ID, you can easily query its last location. Or you can see a location and get a list of everything that was in that location. In a distribution warehouse, the A-Mobility location tracking app would be very helpful because you can have one person going around to all the locations and scanning, "This is what I saw today." And this can get cascaded out to the entire team as to what they saw on the floor. The lot inquiry off the inventory menu will display the location and last location date. If you are looking for a specific item, you can query and show all containers of that item, sorted in FIFO order with their latest recorded location. The print track labels option can be used to create a relationship between the item number and a tracking ID in AIM. If you select to print group labels, the labels will be printed preceded by the group ID label. The Print Group Labels option is used to print sequentially numbered group tags. These can be pre-printed so you have them at the ready when you want to group stuff together. On the chance that a track ID label is damaged or lost, you can reprint track ID labels. A-Mobility location tracking is a simple but effective tool to capture where things are stored. For more information about the A-Mobility location tracking app, contact sales@aimcom.com or call 586-439-0300.